Are you trying to learn how to do men's physique poses? Well, today I'm gonna give you guys some of my posing routines and transitions, so make sure to stick around for the entire video because I'm gonna show you the exact posing routine that helped me win my pro card at the Arnold Amateur in 2018. If you're new to the channel, my name's Kevin, and if you'd like more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the routines.
I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night. Pity how you work hard for me, but forgetting how to talk. Nah, I don't like no humble beats. Just go and suss it up. Now it's time to marinate. And right after we're done, I like it when you're looking like that. Don't like it when you shit, chat shit. I like it when you're looking like that. When you look like that, don't wanna watch a bugger with a white mouth. Just like it when you're looking like that. No sweets, no rush, can't fuck my attraction. Don't think twice, I'm here for the moment. No, I like him better. I got a church place somewhere and I'll make it last forever. I've been giving you the worst of me. Now you wanna stay the night.
So those are just some examples of my posing routines. One thing that really helped me when I was getting started was just practicing. Put on some music and just have fun with it. Experiment with different angles and find out which poses make your physique look the best. For an example, some people look really good straight on and some athletes look really good slightly angled to the side. Pick 3 poses and perfect them. The 2 most important should be your front pose and your back pose. Once you figure those out, practice your transitions in between poses and just make sure they flow naturally for you. Last but not least, slow down. Breathe. What I did wrong my first few shows was I rushed through my routine. But when you're up on that stage, it goes by so quick and you don't even realize you're posing super fast and not setting any of your poses. So slow down, set, and then flex. I mean, if you've dieted and spent hours in the gym training, it all comes down to presentation. Confidence is what owns the stage and grabs the judge's attention. Make sure you practice your presentation so many times that you could do it in your sleep. All right, so here is the exact posing routine that helped me win the overall at the Arnold Amateur in 2018 and get me my pro card. As you'll notice, it's nothing flashy. It's just 2 poses, an angle front pose and a back pose. It's really the transitions in between each one that I really worked on. And it took me months to perfect the glide. So just make sure to practice. If you're prepping for a show right now, I'm here to tell you good luck. And until next time, make sure to make your last set the best set.